welcome and welcome back again to my amazing space on the internet. It's your girl Cynthia and I am back again with another reaction video. Yay! But first things first, if this is your very first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. In this channel I make reactions to music videos and all those good stuff, okay? And if this sounds like something you're really interested in, feel free to hit the subscribe button and also the bell just beside the subscribe button, so anytime I upload a video like this one, you'll definitely be the first to know, okay? Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be listening to God on Lightfoot. Yes guys, it's been a while I listened to any of his songs. I think it's like 9 months or so, but I was just thinking about him and I was like, let me check out more of his songs, okay? Because the last two I heard from him really touched my soul so well. And I want that feeling again, okay? Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be listening to God on Lightfoot, Early Morning Rain. I obviously love the title already. So yes guys, without further ado, let us jump right into this reaction video.
In the early morning rain,
There we go.
with $1 in my hand,
Oh,
with an aching in my heart, in my pockets full of sand.
wow.
I'm a long way from home, Lord, I miss my loved ones so.
Wow.
In the early morning rain, no place to go, out on the runaway number 9, Big 707 said to go, and I'm stuck here in the grass with a pain that ever grows. Now the liquor tasted good and the women all were fast. There she goes, my friend, she'll be rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away in westward bound,
Amazing music.
far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me, and I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I can be. You can't jump a jet plane
Oh my.
like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain.
This is really good music. Oh my goodness, I was in a different dimension while listening to this song. So many great songs from God on Lightfoot. How many can I actually listen to? May his soul rest in peace. This was a great tune, wonderfully written and performed, if you'd ask me. Listening to any of God on Lightfoot songs for me is like an elderly person advising me about life, That's just how I see or interpret his songs, to be honest. And about this song, I like how from his perspective, modern travel seems so modern. Well, I really had a good time listening to this song. Let me know what you think about this song in the comment section, and let me know what you also think of other Gordon Lightfoot songs. If there's any you'd want me to listen to, I'll be more than willing to check them out. And yes guys, I have come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give this video a fat thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to this beautiful channel, okay? And also guys, don't forget to click the bell just beside the subscribe button, so anytime I upload a video like this one, you definitely be the first to know, okay? Alright guys, with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.